Our hair gets dirty and dull due to everyday pollution, so it's quite natural that you will be searching for a great solution to get rid of daily impurities, so that you can keep your hair beautiful every single day. This is where Dry Shampoo comes to your rescue. This shampoo can provide you with a clean and gorgeous looking hair within minutes, and you can save your precious time on the go. So in today's video, we came up with the 8 best dry shampoos which will give you the perfect hair experience ever. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Dry shampoos are convenient products, as you do not need water to use them. These are time-saving and quite handy as well. Imagine the pressure of washing and styling your hair every day and the amount of time consumed in the process. Dry shampoo just saves you from this hassle. The Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo is not any different, as it cleans and refreshes your hair perfectly. This dry shampoo has rice starch. It's a light powder which absorbs dirt and oil, adding volume and texture to your hair. It's a talc-free dry cleanser, which refreshes your hair for a perfect hair day. This dry shampoo naturally cleans and deodorizes your hair. It also cools and refreshes your scalp in the process. This product is safe for color-treated, Brazilian-treated, and keratin-treated hair. It's free from toxic ingredients as well. This dry shampoo has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. Users love this product because it cleans hair perfectly while making it thick, providing a great smell as well. But some of them complain that the outcomes did not meet their expectations. How to use. Let's check out the ratings for this dry shampoo. Elevate your hair with the OGX exclusive collection Refresh and Full plus Biotin and Collagen Dry Shampoo. This shampoo has the goodness of pro vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein, which helps to freshen up your hair while adding fullness and lift to your tresses. This dry shampoo is a super volumizing formula, which helps to keep your hair fresh and full. It also makes your hair thick and textured. Biotin and collagen formula takes care of each hair strand and makes your hair look gorgeous on the go. This dry shampoo absorbs oil and gives your hair wonderful volume. This product has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this dry shampoo freshens up your hair and makes your hair smooth and shiny, but some users were not satisfied with the product. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. Give your hair a matte finish with the Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo. It has microfine rice powders, which absorb excess oil and odor. The golden root extract in this shampoo increases moisture and prevents dryness and breakage of hair strands. The super absorbent formula of this shampoo helps to eliminate oil and impurities. It cleans and refreshes your hair while adding volume. This dry shampoo has a great fragrance with notes of jasmine, sandalwood, and Madagascar vanilla. It doesn't contain parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. And the formula is cruelty-free as well. This dry shampoo has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product works great on your hair and it smells amazing as well, but some of the users said that the product leaves residue. How to use. It's time to rate this dry shampoo. If you're willing to achieve volume and texture while taking care of your hair, the Oribe Dry Texturing Spray might be a great option for you. This product is Oribe's Signature Complex, which defends your hair from oxidative stress, photoaging, and the deterioration of natural keratin. The zeolite crystallines help to absorb dirt, oil, and odor. Provitamin B5 thickens your hair while conditioning and adding volume. Mango and aloe extracts hydrate and make your hair smooth. This spray gives your hair a sultry texture and adds volume. It doesn't leave any powdery residue and provides your hair with color protection as well. The Oribe Dry Texturing Spray has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. It's a popular product which works great while giving your hair beautiful texture, but some of the users said that the product was a bit overpriced compared to others. How to use. It's time to rate this dry shampoo. The Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo Light Tones is made especially keeping the tone of your hair in mind. Get a more personal touch in your hair with this dry shampoo. It contains argan oil, which is extremely rich in tocopherols, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. This natural oil helps to nourish your hair. The shampoo also has rice starch, which helps to draw out excess oil. This shampoo absorbs oil, buildup, and odor and cleans your hair perfectly. Its main features include UV protecting, argan oil infused formula, which contains subtle violet undertones to balance brassiness and blonde hair and bring out the best in light tones. This shampoo instantly cleans your hair and makes your hair refreshed. You can also use it for your platinum and silver hair. This dry shampoo has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews from its users, this shampoo works great and makes your hair feel wonderful, even after not washing it for days. But some users said that they were not satisfied with the product. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. Keep your hair clean while maintaining a great texture with the Aussie After Hours Dry Shampoo. It contains the goodness of exotic Australian blue gum tree and Australian Eucalyptus dunai. It's a light cleansing dry shampoo which cleans your hair and removes dirt and oil efficiently. This shampoo doesn't leave any residue, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. While cleaning, it also gives your hair great texture and makes your hair look gorgeous. This shampoo is free from toxic ingredients and it refreshes your hair without the use of water. The Aussie After Hours Textured Dry Shampoo gained many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this shampoo as it makes your hair soft and silky, but some of them said that the product didn't moisturize their hair enough. How to use. Time to check out the rating. Cleaning dirt and keeping hair healthy is great, but what if you had a product in your hands which cleans and repels dirt and humidity? Yes, you heard it right. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo will do all of these for you. This shampoo has triple action cleaning technology to address how your hair looks, feels, and smells. Its patented healthy hair molecule removes a fast absorbing powder which absorbs oil, sweat, and cleans your hair perfectly. The shampoo has odor neutralizers and time-released fragrance to make your hair smell clean. It's free from toxic ingredients and safe for colored hair as well. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this dry shampoo cleans your hair and makes it look fuller, although some users said that the product smells unpleasant. How to use. It's time to rate this dry shampoo. Clean and oil-free hair is just a few sprays away with the Batiste Dry Shampoo Original. It's our best pick for today's video, and this dry shampoo will work wonders on your hair. This shampoo has a great smell, which includes a citrusy and refreshing burst of orange and bergamot. The smell is also balanced by hints of rose, lily, lavender, and powdery musk. It efficiently removes oil and grease to clean your hair perfectly between washes. The removal of oil gives your hair great texture. It's a sulfate-free dry shampoo, which will give you a quick, refreshing result whenever you want. No water is required to use this product. Batiste has a wide range of dry shampoos available for you according to your needs. This particular dry shampoo is a great option for you and has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it cleans perfectly and makes your hair beautiful, but some of them complain that the product leaves a white residue. How to use. Let's check out the ratings for this dry shampoo. So those were our top 5 dry shampoos. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.